everyone, welcome to my channel Raspberry Creator, and today I'm going to show you my economics project on Make in India. This is my project of class 12th on the topic Make in India, and this file is made by me at home. So this is homemade file, and this is the introduction page of this project where you have to write your name, class, subject, teacher's name, your session, your roll number allotted by CBSE, and also your school name. This is about the subject, means your subject on which you are going to make your project. So this is economics. So I have write there economics project, and this is the acknowledgement page. This is the certificate page. Now the index page. This is the photo of Modi ji, and this is the topic on which I have done my project, Make in India a Way Ahead. And this is about Make in India, means short introduction of Make in India program. What is Make in India, and about short introduction of Make in India. And this is the logo of Make in India. This is about the logo. This is about the logo, and this is the planning of Make India, means what is the planning come under Make in India, plannings of Make in India. So this is the planning page, and after that this is my one of the favorite page, words in say, and this is also very beautiful. This page, I like this page the most, words in say. And this is about why Make in India. And now the process of Make in India, means what are the process of Make in India program. These are the challenges of Make in India program: creating the most enthusiastic and dedicated team, creating a health business environment, creating competitiveness of Indian manufacturers good to keep pace with technological development, new competitions from several countries of the world, development of skills and talent, development in the field of research and development, creating labor intensive technology, financial challenges, creating competitors atmosphere of employees. And this is the main page that is criticism and concerns. Main page, no, main topic or points. And this is the short introduction of advantages and disadvantages of Make in India program. And this is the advantages, point wise advantages of Make in India. Develop job opportunities, first one. Second one is the brand value of Indian merchandise increases. Third one is upgradation of technology. Fourth one is the flow of capital changes. Fifth one is development of rural areas. Sixth one is improves GDP. And seventh, strengthen the rupee. And the last one, eighth, is ease of business. So total 8 advantages of Make in India. And now the disadvantages of Make in India program. There are 5 disadvantages of Make in India program. And first one is negligence in the agriculture sector. Second one is depletion of natural resources. Third one is the loss to small entrepreneurs. Fourth one, bad relations with China. Fifth one, disruptions of land. Now the objectives of Make in India program. There are total 16 objectives of Make in India program. And this is the sectors covered under Make in India program. The sectors which come under Make in India program, there are many more: automobiles, food processing, IT, aviation, leather, space, constructions, oil and gas, tourism and hospitality, defense manufacturing, biotechnology, space, and there are many more. And these are the major investing countries: USA, Japan, United Arab Emirates, Germany, France. And this is the companies who attended the campaign: Tata, Airbus, Wipro, Honda, Vodafone, Reliance. Infrastructure support. Now the infrastructure support of Make in India. And this is the foreign direct investment, FDI. This is the manufacturing projects under Make in India program. The Train 18, and this is Make in India on social media: Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Now the news and statistics. Now objectives of making project means the purpose of making project, purpose of Make in India, and this is lastly the conclusion. And this is the big bibliography page, and thank you. So that's all about my project on Make in India. This is economics project, so you can take help from this project if you have to make project on Make in India topic. So take help from this, and you can make file also at home. And share this video with others, so that they also can take help from this project. And if you like my video, then please do like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos, and also hit the bell icon for notification.